I mean, it's fantastic, this inauguration. All the work that we have put in, suddenly it offloads in one go. With all the people that have made it possible. It has taken guts, it has taken our shareholders trusting us, and it has taken blood, sweat and tears.
We need to invest, we need to innovate, and when I look at this factory here today, we see the answer. Investments like this shows actually what is possible. They create jobs, growth, and they create a greener future.
SOEC technology is a key component in the energy transition because it transforms renewable electrons into molecules with 30% more efficiency than the alternatives.
Topsoe's SOEC technology is the next generation of electrolyzer technology, more efficient than anything that's come before.
I think Topsoe SOEC factory is important because we need in Europe factories like that to decarbonize our economy.
We knew that we had the innovation power to be a leader in the fuel transition. And with our SOEC factory, we are taking a big leap in that direction. So I'm incredibly proud of where we are today.